100 for a screen scrolly demo. Whoa. Can wipe things out because it's just permanently printed and haven't been told to be reprinted. Hit the land there. There's faults there. You can see the landscape's been knackered. Look, it's disappearing here where I landed the ship. This is the way the screen is being painted because the landscape was painted first. It's not being refreshed with each scroll because it's scrolling. If you kept reprinting it, it would be even more of a mess. It would end up just one big block across the screen. But this is just a demo. This isn't a proper game or anything. This is just me fiddling around with scrolling techniques. And what's actually happening in the background is being printed first, and then the player is being printed last. I did a demo before where it was the other way around and the player flickered badly, especially when it entered this zone here. I suppose if you were playing a game and you hit the land, it would be death, wouldn't it? And then you just reset the level. But there I can move around pretty freely. The landscape does scroll faster when I'm pressing a key, but that's just the way the program's set up. And yes, I could have a fire button and shoot something that's coming across here. Yeah, isn't that cute? That's tonight's little experiment. Love that little flame effect. Let's zoom in on it. Oh, the camera. Let's put them back over there and just the camera a moment. Oh, my camera's crap. It's been 10 years old or something stupid. There he is. There's a little ship flying along. There's a worm coming in to land. It's going to be a crash landing. I'm going to touch down safely. Oh no, you hit the sea. It's a dead worm.